In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign in Odoo. To get started, open the email marketing app in Odoo. This is where you create, manage and send marketing emails to your audience. Once you're inside the app, go to the top menu and click on Mailings. This section shows your existing campaigns and is also where you can create a brand new one. Next, click New to start creating your email campaign. Odoo will open a new mailing form where you can begin entering the details for your message. One of the first things you'll want to do is enter the subject line for your campaign. The subject is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of your email and encourages people to open it. After that, move to the Recipients section. Here, select Mailing List, and then choose the mailing list you want to send the campaign to. This step is important because it determines exactly who will receive your email. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct audience. Now go to the mail body section. You can choose one of the available templates if you want a faster setup, or select Start from Scratch if you prefer to build the email yourself. Templates are useful when you want a polished design right away, while starting from scratch gives you more flexibility. Once your layout is ready, begin designing the email. Use the editor to customize the content by adding your text, images, buttons, links, and any other elements your campaign needs. Try to keep the design clean and easy to read. Make sure your message is clear, your visuals support the content, and any buttons or links point to the right destination. When the email content looks good, open the Settings tab to review your campaign settings. This is where you can configure any additional options needed before sending. Taking a moment to review these settings can help you avoid mistakes and make sure the campaign is ready to go. Finally, when everything has been reviewed, click Send at the top of the page. Odoo will ask you to confirm the mailing. Once you confirm, the system will begin sending your email campaign to the recipients you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email campaign in Odoo. Thanks for watching.